Hello kids, welcome to CyboSocks. Today we are going to make a toolkit. The toolkit will automatically open the gate when a car comes nearby and closes after it goes. We will be going to assembly. First, take the C structure and put your servo motor on it. Unscrew it with the nut and bolts. Then take two plates, the big plates, and attach those two plates below the C structure. Then fit it correctly. Then take another big plate, then try to put it for the servo motor neck. Then take the ultrasonic sensor and keep it between the C structure and stick it with a double side tape and connect JST cables with the specified ports. And you can also extend the gate length by adding one more stick at the end by using the screws. And now we have to write a code for working the smart toll gate. We'll start by taking the libraries. And here pin is to connect the ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, and PWM is to control the angle of the servo motor, and the time is to add delays and control timings between the processes. And the next step is set up the connections. Trig means trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the D5 of ESP and it is kept as pin dot out. That means it is an output pin. And the next pin is echo pin of ultrasonic sensor and it is connected to the D6 pin of ESP and it is kept as pin dot in. That means it is the input pin. And the next pin is servo. It is a pin of servo motor and it is given to the pin number D7 of ESP and it is working with a frequency of 50 Hz. Then we are starting this toll gate by making it initially closed. We can close it by putting the duty like 120. We are also taking this command called gate open. Here we'll tell the servo to start at 180 degrees, which means the gate is closed. We also create a variable called gate open to remember whether the gate is currently open or closed. And now here we create two variables, detect got count 0 and no detect count 0. And the first variable detect count counts how many times an object was detected. And the next variable no detect count counts how many times no object was detected. This helps us avoid false triggers. And next we have to create a function to measure distance by starting a function called getDistance and trig. We are making the trigger of for 2 seconds and we have to turn it on again. For 10 seconds. That means we are sending the ultrasonic wave for 10 seconds and after that again we are going to turn it off. First, we sense a short trigger pulse. Then we wait for the echo to bounce back. And now, if anything goes wrong, we return -1 to say no proper readings. And now we have to start the main loop. Here we are getting the distance from the get distance function. This one. And we are printing after the word called distance in the output terminal. And now we have to give the commands in a condition if distance is greater than 0 and lesser than 10 and detect count is increased by 1, incremented by 1 and no detect count is same as before 0. If something is closer than 10 centimeter, we increase the detect count and reset no detect count. If no object is close, we do the opposite. We increase no detect count and reset detect count. If an object is detected 3 times in a row, we open the gate by moving the servo to 90 degrees. By writing the command like and the servo duty 75 means 90 degrees. Gate open will be true now. Then we are going to print it as gate opened in the output terminal. And for closing the gate, the condition should be no detect count is greater than equals to 5 and gate open servo duty should be 120. That means the angle of servo motor should be 180 degrees. That means gate is closed and we are going to print the text as gate closed in the output terminal. We add a small pause of 0.1 seconds to keep things smooth and avoid too much checking. And we'll recap finally. So here's what our smart gate does. It uses the ultrasonic sensor to check something is nearby. And the servo motor is used as a neck of the toll gate. It will closes the gate and opens the gate. It will closes the gate when something comes near it. If something comes close 3 times in a row, it opens the gate. If nothing is near 5 times in a row, it closes the gate. It uses a servo motor to actually move the gate. That's how you make a fully automatic toll gate. After writing the main code, save the file as main.py on your ESP8266. This file runs automatically when the board is powered on. It controls how your smart car behaves.